Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So on many videos, I talk about equipment as a creator and why you don't really need as much as you think. And I'm still going to stick by the fact that if you have a smartphone, that is the best tool that you have, and it can last for a very long time. But in 2019, I will say that you're going to need a camera. And what I mean by that is for people who are really going to be serious about content creation, and for the simple fact that people are watching more and more of internet content on bigger screens, primarily televisions. Because I think a lot of people are now getting used to cutting the cord, meaning they no longer have cable TV. And I think a lot of people are watching less and less of regular TV and watching more of internet TV. And this is a trend that's not going to stop. And the reason why having a camera is so important in this case is because even though our smartphones are getting really good with their video and camera quality, it is just not there yet when you compare it to what you could do with a physical camera. Things such as depth of field right here. It's really blurry in the background. It's not artificial, it just looks a lot more natural versus the artificial blurring or depth of field effects that they put on smartphones. And at the same time, right now, the physical limits of a camera, because if you actually look here, look at how small that camera lens is. It does a lot of amazing things, but it's really hard to compare that to an actual camera lens and the depth and breadth of the different type of lenses you could buy. There's just so much more that you can do there. And at the same time, when it comes to clarity, picture quality, the colors, saturation, the things that you can do and manipulate with actual camera footage versus smartphones footage, it's definitely way more versatile and more complex if you really dig into it. And as more and more of our internet content is being watched on bigger televisions, that's when you're going to notice the quality differences. Because if you're watching this video right now and you compare it to something like a smartphone, I shoot the same footage and then I watch it on my phone, you're not going to be able to tell too much of a difference. But when you actually blow this up on a big screen, especially 4K sets, you will notice the difference. And then later on, when the 6K, 8K TVs comes out, you'll definitely see the difference there. It's going to be basically comparing VHS tapes to DVDs, kind of like that transition if you're going up to a higher resolution. And so those are my thoughts. If you are just starting out, once again, I would still say use your smartphones. That's still the best tool. But if you're going to be a serious content creator, especially if this is something that you're going to be doing as part of your living, then I would highly recommend you invest in a real camera and get all the benefits that come out of that. And so if you had any thoughts on this, whether you are new to content creation or whether you are a pro, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.